Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which substance takes its name from the Greek for not flammable? Is it A. Methadone, B. Asbestos, C. Ethanol, or D. Bleach? The answer is B. Asbestos.
Asbestos, derived from the Greek word asbestos, meaning unquenchable or inextinguishable, was once hailed as a miracle material for its fire-resistant properties. Ancient Greeks even wove it into cloth for funeral shrouds, believing it would protect the deceased from the flames of cremation.
Question 2. Which bird lays its eggs in the nests of other birds? Is it A. Vulture, B. Cuckoo, C. Stork, or D. Sparrow? The answer is B. Cuckoo.
The cunning cuckoo is nature's ultimate trickster. It lays its eggs in the nests of unsuspecting birds, leaving them to raise its young. The cuckoo chick often hatches first and may even push out the host's eggs or chicks, ensuring it gets all the attention and food.
Question 3. What is the common name for potassium nitrate? Is it A. Saltpetre, B. Quartz, C. Borax, or D. Limestone? The answer is A. Saltpetre.
Saltpetre, or potassium nitrate, has been a key ingredient in gunpowder since the 9th century. Beyond its explosive history, it was also used to cure meats and even as a fertilizer. In medieval times, it was so valuable that governments controlled its production and trade.
Question 4. What is Kremlinology the study of? Is it A. Interactions between organisms and geomorphological processes, B. The study and design of machines at the molecular level, C. The structure of diseased tissues, or D. The Soviet Union? The answer is D. The Soviet Union.
Kremlinology, the study of the Soviet Union, involved analyzing subtle cues like who stood next to whom during parades or deciphering cryptic newspaper articles. This Cold War-era practice was akin to political detective work, offering insights into the secretive workings of Soviet leadership and policy shifts.
Question 5. What communication aid was invented in 1905 by American Undertaker Almon Strowger? Is it A. The dial telephone, B. The microphone, C. The hearing aid, or D. The telegram? The answer is A. The dial telephone.
Almon Strowger, frustrated by a rival Undertaker's wife misdirecting his business calls, invented the dial telephone in 1905. This ingenious device revolutionized communication by allowing users to bypass human operators and directly connect with their desired party, forever changing how we interact over long distances.
Question 6. With what body part is otology involved? Is it A. Mouth, B. Ear, C. Eyes, or D. Nose? The answer is B. Ear.
Otology, the study of the ear, delves into everything from hearing and balance to intricate surgeries. Fun fact, the smallest bone in the human body, the stapes or stirrup bone, resides in your middle ear and is crucial for transmitting sound vibrations to your inner ear.
Question 7. Name the largest living bird. Is it A. Ostrich, B. Emu, C. peacock, or D. emperor penguin? The answer is A. ostrich.
The ostrich, the largest living bird, can sprint up to 45 miles per hour, making it the fastest bird on land. Its eyes are bigger than its brain, giving it exceptional vision to spot predators from afar. Despite their size and speed, ostriches can't fly but use their powerful legs for defense.
Question 8. What type of animal is a caribou? Is it A. reindeer, B. a spider, C. a mouse, or D. a whale? The answer is A. a reindeer.
Caribou, known as reindeer in Europe, are the only deer species where both males and females grow antlers. These majestic creatures are also incredible long-distance travelers, migrating up to 3,000 miles a year across the Arctic tundra, one of the longest migrations of any land mammal.
Question 9. What do we call an agent that causes cancer? Is it A. carcinogen, B. cyanogen, C. androgen, or D. dermatogen? The answer is A. carcinogen.
Carcinogens, the agents that cause cancer, can be found in some surprising places. For instance, grilled meats contain heterocyclic amines, HCAs, which are carcinogenic. Even everyday items like tobacco smoke and certain plastics harbor these sneaky culprits. So next time you enjoy a barbecue, remember, moderation is key.
May your curiosity continue to orbit new questions and your knowledge grow like a well-watered plant. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science and nature. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.